Hi guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is Jackie and my channel is Miss JDH629. I'm going to be cleaning up this messy space today. It's my living room and my dining room combo. It's kind of the catch-all space, the heart of the home where we spend the most time. And I have two kids, a 5-year-old girl and a 1-year-old boy, so they attribute to most of the chaos. So we're gonna try to get this together today, so let's get started. Alright, so here's my extremely messy living room. I'm just giving you kind of a overview of what this looks like. And this, I would like to say that this is like complete disaster, completely out of the ordinary, but it's not. It looks like this quite often because, you know, I have two kids. You know, what are you gonna do? So right now my husband is kind of rounding them up. They're gonna go for a walk so I can get things started. So now I'm just going through the diaper caddy and I'm refilling and making it more organized and more orderly instead of just diapers thrown in there. And sorry about the poor lighting with the products, but that was Pledge Antibacterial Multi-Surface Spray. Again, sorry for the poor lighting with the product. That was Safeway glass cleaner, as I've been using that for a while. I feel like I fix this couch 14,000 times per day. Anybody else feel like they fix their couch all day, every day? And this is just a cleaning hack. So my kids, they often have sticky fingers from snacks, and those sticky fingers sometimes end up on my microfiber sofas. But if you have any babies in the house, baby wipes do a great job at taking out any sticky finger spots. Now I'm just using my Dyson to go over all of the crumbs and just things that build up in these corners and stuff. Balloons are from my 36th birthday. My husband got me balloons. Now I'm just lighting my diffuser and putting some essential oils on. I just recently kind of got into essential oils. But if you have any recommendations on any good brands that have really strong scents that last a while, let me know. I recently made some changes to my living room, so I am looking for something to go on the wall behind my dining room table. If you guys have any ideas, whether it should be artwork or some type of sculpture or a big picture, let me know what you think. My son thinks it is his mission in life to throw as much food on the floor as he can. So this is the entryway of my house. It's just a shoe cabinet that we keep right in the entryway that's supposed to just house all of our most worn shoes, but for some reason every shoe in the house just ends up not necessarily in the cabinet, but around the cabinet. So I just grabbed a little bin I got from Dollar Tree just to put my son's shoes in, because he's the baby and his shoes will totally get lost in this cabinet. So I just put his shoes in that little red box. So now this hot mess between the top of this shoe cabinet and my dining room table, it's just the catch-all for everything. So gotta clean this off. I'm just using the same Safeway glass cleaner as I used on the window in the living room. And you can see how dusty the top of this thing gets. So now I'm just gonna go through my foyer, the entryway, and just give it a quick vacuum, and we're gonna Swiffer the tile so that it's clean. And I don't know if anybody else's house is like this, but I pile things on the stairs for my family to bring upstairs, but it never quite works out that way. And this is the finished product of my afternoon tidy up, clean up, spruce up of our heavily used area in the house. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. It felt better. It lasted about 2 days, but that's life. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.